Howdy folks, this is just a quick video to say that there's no video this week. We had gone out of town for New Year's, and when we got back it was time to make a video, and I was going to make just a quick rum review for you, and when it came time to do it, and I just thought I don't feel like drinking rum, so I thought maybe this is a good time just to take a little breather, take a little break from drinking for a little while, and you know, it's in January, so I guess it's dry January, but I don't know if I'll go the whole month of January or not, but we're just taking a little breather. I got some non-alcoholic content coming up, including some ice shenanigans. I've also got a bunch of bottles of cherries. We're gonna do a cherry taste off. That should be fun. I got another bottle coming in the mail, so that should be good. Now, one last thing. In 2024, I thought it might be fun to have you guys submit nature footage. As you probably know, at the end of these videos, I like to put in a little nature scene, just for fun. If you have a nature scene and you want me to put it at the end of the video, send me a horizontal 30-second video that is the highest quality your phone can do, would be best. You know, and something of nature. It could be a pet, could be a scene, it could be, you know, interesting weather, you know, whatever it is. But I like a mostly steady shot, you know, maybe a slow pan or something. But you've seen the nature footage, so you know what I'm looking for. All right, if you want to send any of that, unclepetescocktailshop at gmail.com. Also send in your recipes for Let Me Fix That For You, and let's have a great 2024. I hope yours is going well so far. I know mine is. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.